was going to be doing a garden tour today, but the wind is blowing and that is not conducive to making a good video. So I'll try and do that another day. That'll be the final one of this year. So yeah, but it's still quite a lot going on in the garden. But anyway, in the search to find something to deal with the constant itch we all find at this time of year, I am going to pot up some strawberries in some hanging baskets. These are runners that I did this year. They are an early variety, but I can't remember the name. I will find it and put it up on screen. But yeah, that'd be nice to have some even earlier ones. So just basically a couple of these plastic hanging baskets. I have got obviously the hangers there. Then I am going to stick some well rotted manure in the bottom first, just to give them a good start. She says, tip that in. That'll do. Just break that up a bit. It's been sat outside, so it's a bit wet and claggy, but not too bad. And then fill it up with some multi-purpose compost. There's going to be 3 in each one, so they should be okay. I did it last year and I did get some nice early fruits on them, so hoping that we have a lovely spring. But these will be in the greenhouse, so they'll be fine. So I'll do that now. Take them off now. Just make sure you don't cover the crown up, just in case although they're not so likely to to rot in if they're under cover than they are outside. The birds keep digging and the squirrels, and keep flicking all the dirt over the crowns on the ones outside, so I have to keep going and rejigging them. But oh, that's got some good roots on it. But yeah, it's just another one of the things. I've still got a lot of clearing to do outside. I did do some the other day, but again, the sun is out, so it's too bright or it's too windy. Does your head in. It's just lovely. I mean, it's 17 degrees in here at the minute, and it did get up to 22 earlier, which is much better. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm going to have to pull some of those off a little bit. Try and get you out of the pot. There we go. A little bit more in, I think, because once I water it, that will settle around them. am just putting off doing other stuff indoors, to be quite honest. But there we go. Oh, little ladybird. Come on. You've got to find somewhere else. Hang on. Let's put you over here. There you go. That's better. Then flip over. I'll give them a water in a minute. And then they can hang up in the other greenhouse. But yeah, if I can actually reach. So yeah, don't know. I know a lot of people do this. I've only done it the last couple of years, but it's worked well. So yeah, there we go. I'll give them a drink in a minute once I've hung them up, or I'll never lift them. So yeah, so that doesn't take very long at all to do. So now I'm looking for something else. But I've got 60 odd onions to actually get out in the ground, so I should get those done next couple of days. So yeah, a nice little easy Sunday job. All right, take care. See you again. Bye.